Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing a sketch of a hand and we are examining veins. So vein structure on the hands, we'll draw an outstretched hand and we'll try to draw some veins into this hand. So we'll have the wrist right there just for a little balance. That oval will comprise the area where we'll be putting down the bulk of our exercise. So let us get the core things going here. So thumb, that is the back of the hand. So let's actually go like this. So right along that oval that we put in and back that way. So right along here we will put in index finger, middle finger, second largest finger, and the smallest finger, and of course the thumb is right there. To best flesh this out, we can just go and generic hand down. So generic means that it would be really, because this hand is a little outstretched, so we are essentially putting in the flesh like that in between the fingers. So once we have that out of the way, we can go into the fingers. So again, the best message the best method is to put in sausages. So ovals always help. You could also put in connectors in between if you like, and then right around these joining areas, just put in a little bit of a bulge. Made that a little too tall, so I'm going to fix that quickly. So index finger and then the middle finger, finger right next to it, and smallest finger of the hand. Now that we have those put down, but also put down the nails. So from this point on, we're just going to put in the details such as the knuckles, generic details. We're going to outline the fingers properly, put in all the finger lines and all the thumb lines, the skin folds. Going to just put in some vein structure right there, first with very light strokes, and then the eventual practice will be that we have to put in the tones right around them and into them. So against the light source there will be darker tones that will stand out, and toward the light source there will be some tones going against the vein to give it the impression of standing out. And the number of veins we are going to put in right here are just going to be a generic, a little overboard, so that we can explore more going into it, and then we will try to balance that out by taking some content out and trying to make the hand look a little more balanced. So right here we're just putting away from the light source the darker tones, go toward the end of the fingers, toward the end of the veins, and toward the end of each hand, and that itself actually makes the veins begin to pop out. So that is the conventional practice of bringing the veins to life. And then we concentrate the tones again with the same direction of strokes to make the veins more evident. So I'm just going to smudge this out to make it a little more pleasing, and then with an eraser I'm going to rub out some of the excess veins that we put in, and just try to make it look a little more pleasant, a little more balanced. Thank you very much for watching. Please do try this out. It's a lot of fun. Do subscribe, keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.